What's up, guys, and welcome back to the Bull Ring. Today, I am going to show you guys how to swing trade a simple way. Now, check it out. You're going to come up here, you're going to grab your indicators, and you're going to go to an indicator called 3 Exponential Moving Averages by Trade Titan. You're going to click on that bad boy, and you're going to come over to the settings, and you're going to turn on your 20-day moving average. And I'm going to turn off the long for now. And if I was starting to swing trade, this is exactly what I would use. A 20-day moving average, guys. Now, I would also go to the 15-minute time frame. And the only time I would enter a trade would be when we cross that line. And this is what I tell a lot of people, guys. Okay. If you're going to use a system, use the same system every time. Now, the cool part about swing trading, guys, is that you actually know when it's a good time to get in. Now, look at those entries. Okay. You can see that every time it crosses in, okay, you get a nice rise in the stock price. However, it doesn't tell you when it's coming back down, right? That kind of sucks. So you have that going on here a few times where it came down. So you have to manage your stock price pretty good and understand when to get out. Now, another thing I would do, guys, and actually, I will tell you, this is what I used to do. Okay. I used to trade on the 9 and 20 moving average. So anytime these two lines crossed, I jumped into a trade. Anytime they crossed again, I would get out. So, for example, let's take these where we have no gaps. That was an entry for me. And of course, that was an exit for me. Now, the problem was that anytime I wanted to get in, I didn't get out until they cross again, and that would reduce my profit. So this is the bad part about swing trading, guys. It's nice when you use a moving average and you get in, you get a pretty solid rise up. But getting out sometimes can limit your profits, guys. So now this one here, okay, that was a nice entry like we looked at before, except it came back down. It probably would have hit your stop loss if you set a stop loss. Now, there was another entry here. If I'm just going off the 20, like when I first started on this video, except this time, I'm going off a crossover. So I don't have a crossover. So I would not get in and I would miss this run, guys. Now, time has evolved, guys. We have AI. We have a lot of good tools that are being developed. And guess what? So I decided, guys, to create my own indicator based off all my tests and trials from the past. Now, imagine if you had an indicator that would tell you to get in just based off the candle. You don't need a line. You don't need anything else. You're just entering the stock when the candle turns green. Now, check this chart out, guys. And this is just on the daily. If I was swing trading, guys, I would only enter the chart or buy SPY when the candles turn green. Now, take a look at that. It doesn't get any more simple than that. Imagine if you had an indicator that would tell you it's time to buy, guys. Doesn't get easier than that. I tell you, I wish I had this indicator when I first started. Now, you must be asking, what's the name of this indicator? Well, I'm glad you asked, guys. Look at that right there, the Dominator, okay? Now, I'm going to go into the settings of the Dominator, and I'm going to turn on a feature that's called buy. So look at how the buy signals go right hand in hand with the entries on the candles, guys. Okay. You can't beat that. Now, imagine if you didn't have it. Now, I know some of you are sitting there and saying, well, how much did the stock go up every time the green candle turned on? Well, let's take a look at it, guys. Check it out. That one was $29 on SPY. So if you trade SPY, you know exactly what I'm talking about. This one was a $41 run, guys. This next one was 33. And I'm going to keep going, guys. And what I want you to do is just take an average of what every time SPY went up, how much could you have made, guys? Off the green candle. Check it out. Okay. Off the green candle, you can see there were some nice moves here. And you could have made really nice money, guys. Okay. Now, I know some of you are probably saying, well, I want to take advantage of the red candles. Well, I'm glad you said that because you can make money on the way down as well. So I'm going to go in here and I'm going to turn on the feature for selling or shorting a stock, guys, and check it out. Okay. Right off the red candle, we have some nice moves down, and I can measure all of these for you guys, and you're going to see that you will make money with this indicator. This indicator pays for itself. As a matter of fact, guys, I'm so excited about this. I am going to let you guys try this indicator for free. I'm going to leave you a link below, guys. I have a small course. You check it out on how to set this up on your trading view. And then cha-ching, you gonna make money, guys. And then I got an extra bonus for you. I will send you guys the stocks that I am actually swinging. And right now, I am swinging RTX, guys. And if you watched the video right before this one, you would have seen that I am currently up 400%, guys. And in the video, I talked about the option. Okay, it's going to expire next week. And then I jumped into a new option because I know RTX is going to be bullish, and I'll show you as a swing trader the things to look for and how to stay in the stock a little bit longer. But 400% paid. Okay, this paid for the next one, guys. And that's the beautiful part about swinging, that you can continue to make money as you go along with your reward money. Now, there is a few reasons I stayed in this stock, guys. And look at this. I'm just going to show you the stock's up about $18 already. So here are the things that you want to look for when you are swing trading, guys. Number one, I don't have a sell signal, so I am staying in the stock. Number two, we have established some serious support lines here, guys. And the color for support is yellow. So I'm just going to change that to show you guys. So this was a beautiful support they established. And of course, they established another one. And you have a third one they have established, guys. And if you take my courses, guys, check this out. This is also a nice support line for RTX, guys. And if you didn't get in on any of those, guys, I also teach you in the courses you can get in when they break resistance. And sure enough, they broke it there. And sure enough, they broke it there again, guys. And if you haven't gotten into RTX, you will have another chance when they pull back down. Go ahead and take a look at the video right before this one, guys. I'm going to leave you a link so you can check out how you can get into RTX. But overall, guys, I do not have a sell signal. So I am staying in this swing trade until I get my sell signal, especially with what's going on in the world. We are going to start to see a little bit more out of any stock that is related to military help, guys. Okay. Now, with the Dominator, guys, you also have MA lengths you can play with. You have my coaches special, guys. You need that pink line. I will show you in another video how to take advantage of the rest of this indicator, guys. But you can see it's super simple. I buy, I sell. I buy, I do not sell until I get my signal. Now, don't forget, guys, I'm leaving you a link below. This is a simple way to swing trade, and you get to use this for free, guys. Don't forget that. Click on the link below. And if you have gotten any value, guys, out of this video, do me a favor and hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe. And if you want to know when the next video is coming out, guys, hit that little bell so that you get a notification. See you on the next video.